Okay, guys, let's start. Today, how are you? It's okay? It's all okay? Let's start to today we discuss how to develop a better homepage. Okay, maybe we can recap a little bit, make a recap for the previous lesson, from the previous lesson. Uh, Previous lesson we discussed about how to do a better news template. Uh, so just a little recap, and then we start to make a lesson to our to improve our homepage. Okay. Uh, Let me share the my desktop. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Um, so this is the page, the news and events page with two fake um, articles, posts. So as you can see, you have the list. The list can be on in vertical, or if you prefer, also in horizontal thing. Maybe, yeah, I show you how to put the posts in horizontal in columns. This is a single column, but you can, if you want, you can put this in a column. I show you a little example. Uh, Maybe the SEED4AFRICA website. We have a good example. As you can see, this is the our homepage. If I scroll on the bottom, you have the various sections, and at the end you can see the news. Okay, in this case, the news is in three columns. You pay attention to this in responsive mode, because if I stretch my browser, if we move to another resolution, the the columns change. Okay, you see, in tablet mode, for example, this is tablet mode. It turn to single column. Okay, and so on. And this is also for the sorry, the mobile version. Okay, so I show you how you can do it in our homepage. So you need at least three posts. Okay, if you have only two, you see the first two. So in our WordPress installation, we go to the posts. You see only two posts, so I want to add one post. So you remember how to add a post. Click add a post, choose a title. We put fake text. In this case, I go on Lorem Ipsum website to copy and paste my a fake test, just for fill the blank space. Okay, I choose the first two paragraphs. copy and paste, and then paste in my page. Okay. Then go here and set also, because remember on the articles on posts, you had it's a good idea to set a featured image just for, as you can see here, you see the image that is the image that appears in the here or here is called featured image. Okay, so we set an image. You can go from the repository or the media library is better, or you can upload the files from your computer. Okay, so if I want to the sorry, I want to search for a good image. Maybe here. So, not using vertical, maybe it's better in horizontal mode. We can, this is okay, maybe okay, this kind of photo. Prefer horizontal one. Okay, set, and then publish. So we have the third news, okay? We don't see here, why we don't see, ah, publish. Okay, now it's published. This is the title, okay? And if I go inside, we have the entire post, okay? We did this previously in the past lesson. We did because of the template. We we do we go on the builder. So sorry, and clicking on single. We done through single this template of single. If I edit the template, I can change in after. I can change after. I change other things if I want. If I so I choose this like post thumbnail. That in this case is a featured image. This is the post content widget. You can find it here, and these social icons. And then the last, I put the post navigation widget. This is a widget that you can find here. You can add, if you want, other things like graphics, like a video, like as you want. But these are um, uh, dynamic content, like the title. It took the title, take the title from the title of the post. This case is H1. Remember, the title must be H1, and the date here, featured image, and post content. Okay, so this is the result. This is the page news and the events that contains all the archive of the news. So if I want to, if you want to see inside, this is the page. Okay, I put here this in this page. I put the post grid slider cursor that you can find here. Add element, the plus button, add element, and you can drag and drop, literally drag and drop the widget, this kind of widget we used. The post this widget, drag and drop here, and then stylize with style tab. Okay, we can stylize the title, the color of the title, this kind of line, the red more button, whatever. Okay. Okay. Once we do that, we can go to stylize our home page. Okay, go on home, edit with Elementor. And now we want to replicate a little bit this page, okay? Or the news on bottom. How to recall this news? With the post widget, okay? So we scroll until my Royal add-on widget, this one, post grid slider carousel, and drag and drop here, okay? Okay, once you can do that, we start to stylize it. Go on layout, text box, maybe okay. Box said okay, this is all okay. This is also all okay. I don't want to change anything here. No, this one, sorry. You click this one here or here where you put this in this icon. Source post is okay, dynamic it's okay, date it's okay, the other categories, tags, you can access post, but I want to show only 3 items per page, okay? I want go on bottom, layout, maybe it's okay, or if you prefer the list style, is a little different, or the slider is a little different, or this is this one that you pay to pay. We have to pay to have this option. So choose the first one. Image resolution, you can change. If I want the medium, okay, or thumbnail, maybe it's too much, it's much smaller. Uh, hmm, Powerful, but I suggest you to use the same width and height on the pots, so you have the same height on all 3 images. Okay. Okay. Choose medium in this case, or full. Or we can change with custom a width and height. For example, I want to choose 800 and 608. Apply. Okay, so the dimensions are similar, or no, are the same dimensions on all 3 images. Maybe a little bit mm, the height, no, maybe more, or 50, but maybe okay. Other options, horizontal gutter, vertical gutter, it's no, this is not, don't care. Horizontal is the space from the three images. So I would choose 30. No, it's too much. 30. Okay, so the gap is 30. Show filters, I don't need this one, so I put no here. Show pagination, no, because I want to show only on page only the last three posts. So I want to show you other things. I can choose this one or put or the animation, for example, zoom, the enter the animation. I don't like it, so I choose none. Element, this is important. I want to show on page, as you can see on SEED4AFRICA website, we are title, photo, title, little text, and the read more button, and the at the end the date. Okay. But in this case, I don't want the expert, I don't know how to pronounce it, the post, okay, this one. I don't want. So I choose to cancel. So I have only the title, date, comment, I don't want comment, and read more. Okay. Go on date. Date have a slash that I don't want. So I go to extra text display known. Oh, maybe it's okay. The query, it's okay. Uh, I can adjust, for example, mid overlay or image effect when are in over. For example, grayscale effect, okay, or maybe blur, this kind of effect. It's very cool. Or slide. Okay, choose grayscale. I like grayscale more. You can set also the duration, delay, whatever. Timing and size. I think it's enough here. Once finished here, we go on style, stylish, the font, the the colors, and whatever. Okay, the title. If I want, for example, a title with the same color of this orange, go here, go on title, change from here by here. Ah, I don't have. So okay. Um, I want the same color, the same orange. Click here and preview changes. And select this color. So I can copy this color and put as title color here. Okay. As you can see, the color changed. Maybe we can put the same font I don't remember what font is this. So sorry, I had to want to check the font. Maybe Josephine action. I don't know, I don't remember. Josephine, yes, it's correct. So change the title, font here, change to Josephine, this one, okay? Maybe the size, maybe the weight, I want to choose normal, and transform in uppercase, okay? Maybe not normal, more medium, or semi-bold. And this one, or bold, maybe it's better. Okay. Change also the date. Okay, change the color. I can change the color, maybe 666. This one. Check also the font here. Change with Josephine. Okay, and change at the end the read more button. Can adjust also the margin of the date, left 0 and right 0. Here 15, 15 also on top. Maybe it's too much. Maybe 5. Check. Okay. And at the end, we can stylize the read more button. So I go on the read more section and start to colorize it. So change the color. I want, for example, the white color, but I want the background type here, this color, the orange color, okay? So we have a button. Maybe to do a better view of this button, I want to change a little parameters, like at first the font. I choose Josephine, but I want Josephine in semi-bold and uppercase, okay? And then adjust the dimensions. Maybe 13. That could be okay, or 12, and maybe for a better do a cool button, letter spacing. Maybe it's more cool. And maybe I want to leave more padding, more spacing inside the button. So I go on on 嗯 but I don't find this. Oh, check again. Oh, okay, find it. Read more. Also on hover, I want to change this color to white, and the color, the background, I want to change in gray. So as you can see, it's changed. Maybe more light gray, 99,999. Yeah, it's okay for me. I don't like the read more to attached. Okay, so we have to work with padding. Oh, no, this is not this is the date, not the read more button. Sorry, I was wrong. Okay, do again. Not on date, but read more. Okay, now it's okay. Change the padding. Yes, maybe a little bit more on left and on right. Choose 15. Okay, maybe more on top. Okay, it's enough. Or maybe can adjust the border radius. As you can see, it's changed. The radius is changed. And stop. And then publish. This is the home page with the three um, news, okay? The latest news. If I click I want, I go inside the news. Okay, back to the home. I don't want this one. So go back to the home page with Elementor, and I change it here. Sorry a little bit. Okay. Oh, so we can hide here by go on page settings. You can hide title. We don't need it. And maybe we start to develop other pieces of our home page. This is very important to understand and to learn this part because when you will go on hackathons, you have a one page website. You have to work inside the home page. Okay, so it is very important part of the lesson. Uh, we can change this because I don't like this. So we delete this kind of part and let only we leave only we keep only this column, this container. Go on 100%. So we have um, the entire column container. Sorry. Maybe I change with the same color, the same character, the same font. Sorry, of the menu and the other thing, like the Josephine font. So I want to change it in Josephine. Josephine Sans. It's okay. Maybe 40. Wow. Maybe it's okay. And use the same graphics or as I use it on other part of the website, like this zigzag effect on the footer section. Okay, so I want to change also this. Go on style, background shape divider, and instead of the clouds, I want to choose zigzag. It's better to put the same parameters on top and bottom. So I want to copy the same parameters here and paste here on top. Okay, so go on bottom. Uh, I see this parameter for width and this parameter for height. Okay, maybe this one. And 15 here. Okay, now is the same. Maybe it's too much height. Maybe I want to do more smaller, this image more smaller. So back to layout. And I just the mean height for from say 700 to maybe uh, ah, 400. It's okay. Maybe this one more smaller sides. So 35 maybe. 35 maybe okay. And put another image if I want to, or image, or you can put, if you want, also uh, in, in the container, you can put on style, you can put as background and a video, for example. If I want a video, go on YouTube or by me or as you want, and check for example, I want to do a video, Africa video, okay? Africa video 4K, for example, South Africa. Check, copy this one, this address. I copy this address and paste as background type when you can see video. Okay, video. Click here. Now we have the subtitles, but at first, but I want to start in 10 seconds. For example, after 10 seconds, okay? So I don't see the the title on include on the video, okay? Check this, refresh, okay, back again. No, you don't see anymore the title, okay? If you want, you can darken the background by going here on the background overlay, choose a color, and you can also, okay, darken the, the video. Or with the CSS filters, you can do other kind of effect, like if I go on saturation, for example, no, it don't work. It doesn't work. Oh, actually, okay. Okay, back to the color. Can set the opacity, maybe here, 35, it's okay, 0.35, I guess it's okay. For me, my this is my in this case this is my header, okay? That usually contains the your text, your slogan here, or this is the payoff that goes here. Maybe I want to click here on the 6 points, go on advanced. I remember you that if you click here, you go to edit the container section. So I want to advance it to check the margin bottom because it's too near to the next container. Okay, I want to separate a little bit. So go on margin and choose as bottom container at least 40 pixels. Okay, but maybe more, maybe 60. Okay, it's okay. Publish, so you can save. Okay. Once you finish here, maybe you can have in the center the text of the website. Like if you go on SEED4AFRICA, for example, you have an introduction, the introduction text. We can put here also of the project, for example. But at first we can put the title. Okay, you can put the title by clicking here and then drag and drop on heading and drop here. Okay, or uh, you can do text, change the text, your text. You can put also a link, but we don't need it at the moment. And you can put at the center, change the font, change the color, and whatever. There is another cool option. I delete this for the moment. Another cool option is to put here divider, um, the divider widget. As you can see, the divider can again add element on the center, can be an icon or a text. In the case of icon, you can see the star at this moment. If you click here, you can change it with another symbol, okay, that you can find here. You can also search the name if you want one a particular icon, okay. For example, I like here. I like this one. Click on insert, and we have this kind of symbol, okay? You can adjust the alignment or the on the style, go on divider or an icon. You can view it as tagged or frame it if you want. Change the size, the padding, okay? And the color, also the color, secondary color. I want this color. I want to change to orange, for example. Okay, and the border radius. You can change also the divider. If I want more light gray, for example, divider, and adjust the weight, maybe 3 pixels. So we have a big divider, but I want to change. Maybe I can change the style in dotted, so have the dot here instead the line, and maybe on the uh, container here I want to use not boxed width, no, but I want to use the entire width by clicking here. Okay. Also go advanced, put the padding on 0, so make sure that the line arrive on the border of the page. So, okay, you can put this, or you can use instead the icon. You can use the text as title of the section. For example, you can put who we are. Okay, here as H2 because the H1 is here, is this. And on style, we can start to put the color and change edit the text. Okay, color change in Josephine, the font, Josephine Sans. I just change the size, the weight, transform in uppercase, as you can see, the uppercase, maybe bold, and so on. Okay, it is the title of the section. Okay, we can put a text on the bottom, go on text editor and put here. Okay, or go on. I want to more longer text. Sorry, I have to copy this one. It's okay. Sorry. Go here, back here, and paste this text. Okay. I don't like this because it is too near the borders. So I put a new layout here. And move this on bottom. Okay. So we have more a little text, a little width text. If I want to also change the width, go here, edit the container sixth bullet here, and change the width. Okay. I change the font also here. I want to change to Josephine. Blah blah blah. Where is no here? Style. Mm, okay, normal or light. No, maybe better normal. And 16 pixels. Okay. We have a similar thing like this. If you have more longer text, you can put, sorry, back to Elementor. You can put a little text and the rest of the text, you can put a button on the bottom where you can write, you can type, read more, okay? That points to the main text, the who we are text, okay? Ah, I forgot to change this. Sorry, I need to change the go already permalinks and change the permalink structure to post name. So we have more friendly links. Back to home page. No, we go to we are page. This page is called, click here. No, sorry. We are. Wow. Okay. We are. Okay, it's changed. Something all gone wrong. Sorry. Back to settings, permalinks. Sorry, there is a problems with the permalinks because we are on a sub page. Okay, I don't care. We can change it. Okay. We are, is this link? I want to copy the URL. I copy this back to my home page, edit with Elementor, and put that link on the button, on the Read More button here. Okay. I want to change the colors also here, put on the center. Typography can change to switch to Josephine. Maybe semi-bold, maybe uppercase, maybe decoration. I don't want the line that underline, so I want to choose none. Okay. I want to change the color, also the padding. Okay. Go on text color. It's okay, black, white. The background must be, I want to appears in orange. Sorry. Here. Orange. No. Ah, no, this is one on over. Sorry. Text color here, white. Background color, orange. And on hover, I want to choose the light gray. Okay. See. Maybe it's too light. Maybe this one is better. Okay, it's perfect. And now we have the who we are on our landing page, on the home page. Okay. If I click read more, I go on who we are page, right? Okay, guys, we do 10 minutes break of 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes break. So, stop the recording now. I put inside the container as background of this image. Okay. I want more space on the top and on the bottom. So click on the center on sixth bullet, go on advanced and choose change the margin top 50 maybe and 50 on bottom. So we have more space. It's a good idea to let but section to put a good amount of space, okay? Uh, so back to the container on style. I want to appear the lion, the entire head on the right side of my call to action. So image resolution full, it's okay. The position is important too. I want to stay in the center, but on the right. So I choose center right, okay? I don't want to repeat, so I choose click on no repeat. As you can see, this one is white, is not black. So I want to choose also background color. Check the background color, go on 000 is means black. Okay, so all the entire container is black. It's the same color of this one. Okay, it's almost finished. Repeat, no repeat. Okay, and display size. We choose cover because I want to cover the entire height. Okay, check this, go on publish and then preview, scroll, and this is my call to action. Now we have to finish with the text. So as you can see, if I okay, if I change the resolution, the width, the image stays here. Or I can choose the display size on contain. So the height contain the entire the line stays on entire height. Okay. Again, publish. Again, let's see. Let's view the. The only problem is the resolution is too low, especially in mobile in mobiles. You have problems with height here. You have to change the height. Okay, well, we can fix it. Okay, or if you like, you can choose the cover. But it's too much larger here. So I don't, maybe it's better to put to back to contain. Okay. Now I want to put a text here. So go heading, H2 maybe correct. This is a call to action. I want to display in the center. To do this, I click on the container. and then in layout, you can see here the justify. I want to align horizontally, vertically, sorry. Okay. And change the, no, I want this on the left side. Change the font, uh, Josephine, bold, case, uh, set the size, 35, it's okay. And then the color. I want to change also the color here, white. Sometimes we can find a subtitle, okay? So you put another heading here, maybe H3 or P is better, and uh, or we can put a fake text for just for examples. Ah, lot of lips. Paste here. Color white, or I want to change the title from white to orange. As you can see, I tend to use the same colors all the time, okay? It's very important. But I don't like this text is too much. It goes over the line. I don't like it. I changed the font also here, Josephine. Both sides, maybe the height here, okay. Or hmm, in the uppercase. Okay. Okay, I like it. Uh, I don't like this text is too long. So you have two possibilities. The first one is to put a backspace. For example, here you can use the BR code, HTML code. Okay, so I open BR and close and go in another row. Okay, same thing here. Where you can find Felix. I want to go on the other row here. Put BR code. Maybe it's okay. The problem is that when you change the resolution. So you had to check now. We had to check on the other devices. Okay. First, let's check the tablet. Hmm. Maybe okay, maybe not, because it's too near the head, the text over the head. Or you can do another thing. we can put this case all on the center. So you have on desktop mode on the left, on tablet mode on the center, but it's not many readable, is not readable. So what we can do is to put on style a background overlay in black color and play with opacity. So my text is more readable, okay? It works only on tablet, not on desktop. So you have to put opacity to 0 on desktop and on the tablet put 0.5. Maybe to make this more readable, you can also add a text shadow here in black. You can see and play with blur. Maybe 5 it's enough. So you can see the I zoom a little bit for no. What is this? Okay, I zoom. As you can see, the shadow here is better. Same thing here. No, set something. Sorry. Set back to 100%. Same here. Put the text shadow. Black, no transparency. And 5 blur. So it's more readable. And on the mobile portrait, I can change a little, just little things like this one. I can change the typography on 25, for example, or maybe not, maybe 30. Here it was 14, I put 12. No, no stroke. Maybe not. Maybe I need more padding here because it's too much, too near to the border. Go on advanced and change with the padding. 10, 12, 15, for maybe it's better. Okay, and the lion on the background is too small now, so I want to change it. So the position is okay, but I want to display size, change to cover, so it covered the entire height, okay, of the entire container. Maybe it's too much height, too much tall, so I want to put this one more smaller, maybe 300 instead 400. Okay. As you can see, we have 3 different call to action. Now, it's the same, but it's changed by the resolution. Okay. Okay. Oh, maybe a call to action needs to put a button. I want to, I can take this button, copy this button and paste here, okay? Put on the left change the link. If I want to put, link here to another page or a different website, external website, whatever you want. Go on left, read more, it's okay. Check on the other devices. No, I don't like this. The center, it's okay. And in the center, it's okay. Maybe more space on top and bottom, because I don't like, maybe 20. Okay, that is better. It's perfect. Do you like it? Oh, the last one, we can do the news section, okay? So we have a complete page, home page. Here, go here. I can duplicate, recyclate this title, copying here, and then paste here. Change the name to news and events, for example, news and events. So I use the same graphics, okay? Graphic. Oh, another thing, I just was thinking that in this call to action, I can put go on style and change I was considering the shape divider. I want to change it, this one, to curve. You can see it's very cool. Change the height. This one on top and or top and also bottom curve. 100 here and 10 on bottom. So it's more cooler. I like more. Okay. Oh, the last one is put the post here. You can use the post grid and putting here. Again, because I did it previously. 3 items per page, layout. Enter now. Equalates, it's okay. Column 3, it's okay. Image resolution, okay. I want to change to 30. No, vertical one, sorry. Without filter, without pagination, and elements. Back to elements. I want to title date, no comments, no excerpt, and read more, okay. Maybe on the right side, read more, it's okay. Date, I don't want the extra text display, okay. And it's almost okay. It's okay. Maybe the image effects. I want to this grayscale. Okay, and now on style, change the title to orange. I will go to Josephine. Sides. Case. Okay. Content now. Date. Change the color of the date. No. Josephine. Font family. Okay. And also the read more button. No border. Background maybe orange. Color white. In hover, the color white. Order none. And the background in light gray. Okay. Typography, change the typography to Josephine. At the sides, the weight, transform. The padding. Maybe the border radius. Okay. Bit more. Sure. Okay, I like more. What we want to change is the dimensions of the images is not the same, so we have to change it. If you don't have the same image, it's a good thing to change this parameter. Go on maybe elements. No. Layout. Resolution switch to custom and put the new size for every image. Okay. I think it's okay. This is the new news, the news on the home page. Click on read more and you have the detail. Okay. And I think that this page is almost finished. You can add as you want other informations like newsletter, like other things. In this case, for example, we have three buttons, so there are three call to actions with the courses, mobilities, hackathons, uh, whatever. Okay. Sometimes you can find also the disclaimer here. In this case, the Union European co-founded, and sometimes you can find also the menu on the bottom on the footer. Okay. What we miss is the this button. This is the go to top. For go to top is very simple to do because we go on the footer section. So back to Royal Add-ons, the Vim Builder and the footer. Edit. And choose the widget back to top. I put here. You can adjust these parameters like fixed position, right? In this case, it's okay. The distance from the right or from the bottom here. You can change the icon. You can do this, you can use this. Okay. If you want also button text, however, you can also change the colors, like the background. I want to choose uh, orange background. Okay. You change the icon size, the duration, the padding, whatever. So let's try to the hover state. So when you go on your mouse on, it's called hover state. Normal background changed, so it changed to 999. That is great. Let's check. Publish. Refresh the page. So as you can see, there is a scroll to top button. Maybe it's not so good because we have the same color of the on the on the order of the footer. So you can see, you can click here and goes on top. But maybe it's better to put in this case a border because you can see when you have you are near the footer. So you can put a border maybe. If I color box shadow, no. Border, yes, okay. Solid. Border width 1, maybe 2. I want to put the color, border color you can change from here. I want to white. Publish, so we can check. Okay, as you can see, now you can see the border, the button white color, in white color. Maybe more one width. Refresh, check. Yeah, I like more. So anytime you click here, the page goes on top, okay? It's automatic, it's very cool, it's simple to do, and you can do everything, everywhere you when you develop a website. I suggest you to put this widget, okay? Uh, I think it's enough. There are questions? Have you questions? No? Maybe what we miss is in this website is the contact page. The contact page you can do a form page. I show you. Or if you go on SEED4AFRICA website, we have a contact form. This is a form. You can compile with name, email, message, and send. Okay. You can do also on Elementor. You go edit page. We can edit with Elementor. Search widget. I search form. There is a form builder. So we can put here. And we can stylize with our own graphic here, okay? Or you can do, sorry, to delete this, I want two columns here because I want to put my information like address here with the text editor. Uh, your address, you put your address here. Okay, Italy, telephone, uh, whatever. You can put also my email. Okay, and then you put your own style. Okay, Josephine here, and on the right side you can put your form. Okay, form builder. Put here. I think name, email, message, it's okay. It's enough. Or otherwise, you can put also other item, like, for example, a number or a telephone item, or a box, a radio, time, date, whatever. Okay. Yeah, but for example, it's useful, maybe useful to put if you want a telephone, if you want your customer put his own telephone, okay? Maybe under the email, or you can put duplicate this one name, instead name, put last name, for example, last name, placeholder. The placeholder is inside the text inside the form if you want. Otherwise, you can cancel, delete this if you don't want the placeholder. Okay, or you can do only the placeholder inside, but you don't want the text over the on the form. You can cancel, delete the label, and leave only the placeholder. Okay, so the name, the text appears only inside the form. Okay, this one text, last name, not in label, but only on placeholder. Then email, only placeholder, and telephone on placeholder. I know, I don't have, because the Pro version, you can do only three fields. Okay, okay. Okay. Here, name, last name, email, not telephone, but message. This is the free version. You can do only three uh, fields. Label, no. Okay, and send. Buttons, you can change, for example, if you want on the right side. Want change the width, align on the right side. And there are various settings. The actions email, it's okay. You can set your email here into field here. Put the subject, new message from my name, Cristiano, for example. No, from customer, all fields, it's okay. From email, it's okay. I put my email also, reply here. It's all okay. The important things that you set this parameter, that is your email, okay? Where the form goes to, okay? And then you can stylize with the same color of the website, okay? No, the label, no. Fields, okay. Normal focus center. You can change the border color on the field. For example, if you want more orange, put here, copy the orange code, okay. But when or you can use gray, for example. And when you are on focus, change the border color to switch the border color to orange. If you okay, when I go on top. Let us think the buttons. I want to change the background to switch to orange. I finished. Okay, I almost finished. Border type none. I don't want any border, but maybe borders radius to 7. It's okay, and maybe I want the typography. Change here to Josephine. Sans, change the size, change the bold, transform to uppercase. Okay. Line letter spacing, more space here, or maybe 2, 3. Okay, and so on. Publish. You have to check also in responsive mode, but it's okay also. It's okay, and check with preview button. If I don't write nothing and click to send, there is a message, error message, okay? You have to fill all of the fields and send the email, okay? So you have also the contact page ready. Guys, for me it's enough. We have another lesson that I want to show you how to manipulate and edit images, okay, for the web. It's very important to understand and optimize the images for internet because you have to because your website must be fast as possible. So for me, it's okay. If you have any questions, you can use the WhatsApp chat. Okay. See you next time. Bye. Bye, everyone.